Welcome to the assembly instructions for your House of Party Cactus Fiesta balloon creation. We will guide you step by step through the process of building your design. As you follow along, feel free to pause the video between steps if needed. Start by inflating your 12-inch linking balloons to 20 centimeters and tying them into pairs. Twist 2 pairs together to form clusters, keeping one balloon aside unpaired. Prepare all clusters before moving forward. You can pause the video here before moving on to the next step. Take 2 long green balloons and connect them together while uninflated to create a flexible string. Attach one end of the string to your first balloon cluster. Begin building the cactus base. Place your first cluster and gently compress it to create a stable foundation. Add each new layer on top, securing it with the string as you go. Continue stacking until you reach 10 layers, then finish with a single balloon at the top. Once all clusters are connected, we'll stabilize the arch. Fill one balloon with water and attach it to the first cluster. You can pause the video here before moving on to the next step. Now, create the cactus arms. Repeat the same technique using 6-inch linking balloons inflated to approximately 12 centimeters. Form clusters as before. For each arm, build a structure using 6 clusters and secure them with uninflated 260 balloons. Attach both arms to the cactus base by tying them to the linking balloons, adjusting for a natural shape. You can pause the video here before moving on to the next step. Inflate the long balloons and shape them into flowers by folding and twisting each one into 5 equal sections. Add the yellow balloons to the centers, repeat for all flowers, then attach each flower to the cactus arms. Your Cactus Fiesta is now complete.